Salute to my English learners. Today we are going to learn Unit 17, Have and Have Got. Let's get it started.
Have
va
have got
ega bo'lmoq, egalik qilmoq degan ma'nolarni anglatadi. Ko'p hollarda
have
fe'lining o'rniga
have got
qo'llaniladi. Shunday qilib
We have a car.
yoki
We've got a car.
Bizning mashinamiz bor. Madeline has 2 sisters.
yoki
Madeline has got 2 sisters. Madlenning 2 opasi bor.
He has a few problems.
yoki
He has got a few problems.
Uning bir nechta muammolari bor.
have got
yoki
have
kasalliklar, og'riqlar va hokazolar uchun ham ishlatiladi.
I have a headache.
yoki
I've got a headache.
Boshim og'riyapti.
have
egalik qilmoq, ega bo'lmoq ma'nolarida kelganda
continuous is having or having
shaklida qo'llanilmaydi.
I have a headache. I've got a headache.
Boshim og'riyapti.
O'tgan zamon shaklini yasashda
had
ning o'zi qo'llaniladi.
got
Siz
Lisa had long hair when she was a child.
Lizaning bolaligida uzun sochlari bor edi.
so'roq va inkor gaplarni yasashda 3 xil shakldan foydalanish mumkin.
Do you have any questions? Have you got any questions? Have you any questions?
Savollaringiz bormi?
I don't have any questions. I haven't got any questions. I haven't any questions.
Savollarim yo'q.
Does she have a car? Has she got a car? Has she a car?
Uning mashinasi bormi?
She doesn't have a car. She hasn't got a car. She hasn't a car.
Uning mashinasi yo'q. O'tgan zamondagi so'roq va inkor gaplarda
Did
va
didn't
dan foydalaniladi.
Did you have a car when you were living in Paris? Parijda yashab yurganingizda mashinangiz bormidi?
I didn't have my phone, so I couldn't call you.
Telefonim yo'q edi, shuning uchun sizga qo'ng'iroq qila olmadim.
Lisa had long hair, didn't she?
Lizaning uzun sochi bor edi, shunday emasmi?
have
Lekin
have got
emas. Ish harakat va tajribalarni ifodalaydigan so'z birikmalarida ko'p uchraydi. Masalan,
Have breakfast, have dinner, have a cup of coffee, have a cigarette. Have a bath, have a shower, have a swim, have a rest, have a party, have a holiday. Have an accident, have an experience, have a dream. Have a look. Have a chat, have a conversation, have a discussion. Have difficulty, have trouble, have fun, have a good time. Have a baby.
Sydney had a baby recently.
Sidney yaqinda bola ko'rdi.
Have a look at that building. How beautiful.
Ana u binoga bir qara. Qanday chiroyli.
Oldingi betdagi ramka ichidagi
have
ega bo'lmoq ma'nosida kelmaydi. Shuning uchun ushbu iboralarda
have got
ni qo'llash mumkin emas. Taqqoslang.
I sometimes have a sandwich for my lunch.
Ba'zida tushlikka sendvich yeyman.
Bu yerda fe'l yemoq ma'nosida kelyapti, ega bo'lmoq emas. Shuning uchun faqat
have
ni qo'llash mumkin. Lekin
I've got some sandwiches. Would you like one? I have some sandwiches. Would you like one?
Menda sendvichlar bor. Bittasini beraymi?
Ushbu iboralarda
Have.
boshqa fe'llar singari xizmat qiladi. Shuning uchun uni kerakli bo'lgan joylarda
Continuous is having or having.
shaklida qo'llash mumkin.
The phone rang when we were having dinner.
Telefon biz tushlik qilayotganimizda jiringladi.
So'roq va inkor gaplarni yasashda odatda
Do, does, did.
lar ishlatiladi.
I don't usually have a big breakfast.
Odatda nonushtaga men ko'p narsa yemayman.
What time does Chris have lunch?
Chris qachon tushlik qiladi?
Did you have trouble finding a place to live?
Yashashga biror joy topishda qiyinchilik ko'rdingmi?
Shu bilan unit 17 oxiriga yetdi. Endi odatdagidek Lexika.uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli savollarga javob bering va olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring.
Har doimgidek like va kommentlaringizni ayamang. Bu kanalimiz rivojiga juda katta yordam beradi. Roliklarimizni do'stlaringiz bilan ulashing, ingliz tilini birgalikda o'rganing. Omad!